So what's up guys, welcome back. This is Hatrika Wadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn decorators. So what does decorator do? Decorator enhances the functionality of other functions. So eh, enhances the functionality of other functions. Okay, so they are decorators, right? So here if I have a function first func and suppose it prints here this is first func. Okay, and now let's just copy it and make another function here. Here let's just okay, right. So we have two functions here. If you want we can make another function also, third function, but let's just see what does decorator function do, then we can work on more than two functions as well. Okay, so suppose we have two functions, first func and second func, right? And both of them have a line print first function and second function. Okay, they have two lines. Okay, now if I want a line to be added to it, so let that line be, this is my func, right? So now if I do not want to change my functions, so what can I do? Okay, I can change it, right? In two functions, there are only two functions. But what if there are many functions? So what will I do? Will I just write that line again and again and again in all the functions? No, I won't do that now. So that's why we use decorators. Okay. So here, let's define a function deco, and here we will take a function, right? Now we will define a wrapper function here. Okay, and it will print this is my func. Okay, so now after this we'll call our function func, and here we will return our wrapper function. Okay, so now if I print func only, okay, here it was first func, right? Now second func. Okay, I'm just printing the functions, I'm just calling the functions. We haven't used decorator function here right now. Okay, so if I call it So you'll see they both will print their lines. This is first function and this is second function, right? But now if we use decorator here, so let's just see what is the code is doing here right now. Then we will use it on our functions. Okay. So here our decorator function is taking a function because as you can see in the definition only, it enhances the functionality of other functions, right? So that's why it is taking a function here. Okay. Now we have another function, wrapper function here. Okay. And now we have print this is my func. Okay. So we have a line, this is my func. So when this wrapper function will be called, it will first print this line, this is my func. Okay. And then it will call this function. As you know that we have taken, we will take a function as an argument because we have parameter, right? So for this parameter we have a function, okay, that we will pass. So if it will be a function, it can be called as well, right? So now here suppose if I give first func as the function, here for this parameter, so it will be something like this: func is equals to first func. Okay, it will be something like this. So as I already told you, if it is something like this, so now func will also work the same way as first func, right? So that's why without calling first func we have called func, because every time we use this function, the function name will get changed. Okay, so that's why we will use func here. Now as we have called func here, it will print this line because we have given first func, so it will give this line, this is first function. So first wrapper function, what it will do, first it will print this is my func, and then it will print this is first function. Okay, and now this decorator function is returning wrapper function. Okay, so hope this is all clear to you what this code is doing. Now if I write deco and write it like this, so we have to print it, but see it is not doing anything right here, so we have to print it. Let's use it here also, print deco. Okay, so there's the bracket problem. Okay, so here, so it is giving something like this. So for this we can write it like this. So let's have some variables, x is equals to like this and y is equals to this. Now if we print x, we are calling x here, and now let's call y. Let's comment this out. Okay, now here we will write @deco. Okay, so this is our decorator. So okay, so if we run it, See, this is my func, this is first function. This is my func, this is second function. As you can see, it is working properly. So this is how we call decorators, and hope this function is clear to you what it is doing here. This is how decorators enhances the functionality of other functions. But now, if I have some doc strings in my functions, right? Suppose we have doc strings. Yeah. So let's write first func is an awesome function, right? So this is the docstring of first func, and this is the docstring of second func, right? And let's make a docstring of a wrapper function as well. So wrapper is an awesome function. Okay, so we have docstring for all the three functions. Okay, now if I print func, sorry, first func, right? So first func dot underscore underscore doc underscore, right? And just like this, we write here second func. So you'll see in both the cases, the docstring is wrapper is an awesome function, right? So here the docstring is of this function wrapper, and if we copy and paste it here, and here we write name. So you'll see it is the name of the function is also wrapper function. So there's a problem, right? This is a big problem that we aren't able to get the docstrings and name of our functions, and the docstring and name is of wrapper function. So what can we do is we can import wraps from functools. So from functools import wrap wraps. Okay, now here before this function, before this wrapper function, we will write @wrap, and after this we'll write func. We'll pass this function. Okay, now it will work properly. You'll see that first func is an awesome function, and here I think there's some problem. Yeah, in second function I have also written first func, right? So second func. Now if I run it, see, first func is an awesome function, second func is an awesome function. First func and second func are the names of the function. So that was the problem and that was the solution. So you might be thinking, what is this from functools wrap? So it is a module. Okay, we will talk about modules in my upcoming videos, so you don't need to worry about that. We'll cover everything in this tutorial. So for now, you just know that it is a module that we need for this problem. Okay, so right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.